How's it going, everyone? Chase from the Sneaker Laundry here, and I'm going to show you our all-purpose brush. Pretty much what I'm going to do is just take a bowl of water, I'm gonna put some solution into it, and I'm gonna show you that our all-purpose brush is safe on all materials. Just dip it in the water, and we're gonna start scrubbing this mesh up here at the top. Now, when we were sourcing out an all-purpose brush, we did everything in our power to make sure that it actually lives up to the name all-purpose. Now, a lot of other companies out there, they release their all-purpose brush and then they also give you a list of materials that you can't use it on. This is not going to fray your mesh, this is not going to ruin your suede. The bristles are super soft and safe on all materials. I personally use it for every single one of my cleans and I have yet to see it ruin any material. So head on over to www.thesneakerlaundry.com.au and grab yourself some TSL products today.